Some landscapes stay with you long after the trip is over. Without a plan, it is difficult to capture that feeling itself, so that's why observation matters. Today, I will show you how I express the snowy mountain and aurora. The design focuses on the dark contour of white mountain and the flowing aurora colors. For the design planning process, please refer to the previous videos. After mixing at around 30 degrees, stop for 1 minute using only a spatula. Separate 520 grams for mountain section. Bring the mountain batter to trace level 2. Once it reaches trace level 2, remove 230 grams from the mountain portion. Blend this portion for about 20 more seconds. Measure the mountain portion into approximately 130, 60, and 40 grams. Add titanium dioxide to entire batch, then measure a color sequentially into white, mid, and dark. Place each color into piping bags. By this stage, the mountain portion reaches approximately trace level 3. Cut the tip of the piping bag and layer the color while mixing them. You may use a spoon as a tool if needed. After layering all the colors, use a stick to form sharp mountain peaks. Let it rest briefly in a warm or insulated place. Check the trace of resolved sky portion, and when it reaches above trace 2, we start to make colors. Create the dark night colors so the aurora stands out clearly. Check the mountain shape, and once the peaks are firm enough not to collapse, tilt them for the colored sky so better. Place it again, a warm area to rest. We make a simple scraper using a thick paper. When the reserved soap batter reaches a viscosity of trace 3.5 or higher, scrape it using the scraper. Clean and neaten the inside of the mold. First, check the soap batter. I was mixed it with a spatula, not a blender. Make sure it is at trace level 1. And take 265 grams for the first Aurora layer and lightly blend for about 10 seconds. Then divide it into 6 portions, divided by eye rather than precise measurement. Create the gradation colors. Add 4 drops and 2 drops of titanium dioxide to the first and second portion respectively. Adjust the color so gradation flows smoothly. Tilt and fold the first Aurora layer in order. Let it rest again in a warm place. Check the trace of the remaining soap batter. Use the blender again to bring it to approximately trace level 1.5. Make another cartoon-shaped scraper. Please cut simply along the line. Scrape the rest soap batter to form the second Aurora curtain. Please neaten the inside of the mold again. Divide the remaining soap batter into 6 equal portions. This This time, create a gradation using pink and purple. Pour the second row colors in order over the first row layer. The soap batter should flow smoothly. Okay, then label the mold, close the lid and insulate it. The next day, I cupped my soap. Another beautiful soap has been completed today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.